Hello, and welcome to another update on Ethereum. I'm here currently on the daily chart for Ethereum, and yeah, just a quick reminder that we are still holding above this $4,050 level, which is the green line, a previous resistance, breakout point, now support. We're also holding the ascending trend line there. This is one that I added, I think, yesterday or earlier today to the chart, just an additional, let's say, dynamic support parameter here. And we're still holding structure. We're still holding support. The support zone we are tracking currently is between $3,374 and $4,061. It's our standard support area. But it doesn't, we don't necessarily need to go down and test it. Okay. So for now, the pullback remains corrective. We actually have a complete looking correction. Doesn't mean it is complete. It doesn't mean we have to break out to the upside now, but the price reached an ideal target based on the internal structure. So we're going to take a look at that now. But yeah, please note that one more high still appears likely on this chart, and that one more high could take us to $5,815 plus. That's the next Fibonacci level that matters, because the price in this third wave there got very, very close to the 5,230 level. But normally we want, in the fifth wave, then this level to be broken slightly. So 138% extension seems likely for this fifth wave. And I'm going to watch for that one more high, especially as long as the price is still holding above $4,050. That's the green line. Even though I gotta say, we might even, we might break that level. In that case, then $3,374 is really the key level to watch, but we're not even getting close right now. So let's also take a look at the shorter time frame chart for Ethereum. And this is really only for those who are really interested in the nanostructures. Don't get tossed around by this. It is a correction, yeah. So there's no change. There's no change of view. This is a correction in a wave 4. That's the thesis. It has been the thesis for the last couple of weeks. I know there have been people have called the top already. I mean, I just don't have enough evidence for it, right? I'm not convinced the cycle is over. Some people are, okay, but that's always the case. People in every cycle call the top, even if the chart is still holding structure. What we're dealing with here is a wave 4 correction, which in the white scenario could technically be complete. Could be a WXY structure. So I'm watching if the market can give us a 5-wave move to the upside. It is a 3-wave move down. This move up is a little high to be part of this Y wave down. And we've reached the 100% extension level. So it's entirely possible we've bottomed. Also, what we saw earlier this week was a first upside reversal attempt, a pullback holding a higher low. So it's holding microstructure. And now a move into the next target zone, pivot, micro pivot, you could call it. And we're now testing this area right now, yeah? So between $4,475 and $4,612. That's just the next target zone resistance area we are watching. Even in this scenario, the price could push a little bit higher, as you can see. So this is how a 5-wave move up would look like. For now, we only have 3 waves up, okay? Don't forget, the blue scenario is something we need to consider. I told you if we react here and rally, and it's a 3-wave move, it might just be the D wave of the triangle. Quick reminder, a triangle forms higher lows, lower highs, and a wave 4 can be a triangle. It actually is quite often. So it could be an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and then an E wave next. And then from there, we might get an upside breakout. That's what we're watching here for Ethereum. In this case, though, the market would need to form 3 waves up and not 5. But even in this C wave in blue, if I zoom in a bit, you see it, wave C of D, we have formed a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. We might get another higher low and another higher high. So it really takes 2 more highs for us to get a 5-wave move. Yeah, next resistances, $4,527 and $4,559. Told you yesterday that this area here might provide some resistance because we have previous swing highs and the 100% extension. Yeah, that's the update on Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. Check it out. The link is in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.